Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm working on the Thanksgiving dessert, okay? So, I'm preparing you for your Thanksgiving. So today we're going to be making apple strudel from scratch. Apple strudel from scratch. Okay, I already have the apples peeled, and we are ready to get started. Give it a thumbs up. I would like for you to share the videos because we're sharing for Thanksgiving. That's what we do in Thanksgiving. We share food, okay? Food thoughts and what we're going to do and all of that. Please share this video, okay? And check out my links below if you'd like to support this girl in any way. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start out with our apples. I have 1.5 pounds of apples because I'm using a little pan. If you're going to make a large size, like a 9-inch pie pan, you want to do 3 pounds, okay? Alright, and I have them soaking in lemon juice and water to prevent the brownness on the apples. Because, you know, if they're exposed to the air, they'll start turning brown. Okay, so here's the apples. Let's add our ingredients to the apples. I have 3/4, as you can see, it's not a full cup. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add the vanilla. That was about, I'd say, a couple of tablespoons of vanilla. I'm going to mix that up. Okay, and let me let you see that. Okay. Okay, had to just wash my hands. Okay, so now we're going to put the apples in the pan. Okay? The pan is not oiled or anything because the apples is going to produce some liquid. So I'm good on that. Alright, now that we have our apple mixture all mixed up, now we're going to start on our strudel. Okay, so I need a container. 1 second here. Okay, so we're going to be making that with the strudel with the oatmeal and butter. So I have my cup measure that I need to rinse out. Okay, let's go with 2 cups of oatmeal to 4 cups. That's 1 cup. Two cups. Okay, now I would like to add just a handful of brown sugar, whatever you can grab in your hand. A handful, okay? I'm going to put that in the strudel. now we're going to add our butter. This is 1 stick of melted butter that I melted in the microwave. So I'm going to pour half of that first. Never pour all of anything because you can't take it out. Baby steps. Okay, now I'm going to mix that up. Right away I can see it's very dry, so I'm going to add some more of the butter, all of the butter. So now we have a total of 1 stick of butter. And we'll see if this does the trick. Okay, I'm going to take my hand and start mixing it because I want the butter to actually stick to the oatmeal. This is a good way to get the kids to eat oatmeal if they don't like it. They like dessert. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. It's sticking. As you can see, it's sticking to my hand, right? So it's sticking. Alright, so now I'm going to bring our apples down. I want to add 1 more layer of brown sugar on the top. Make sure you can see that. So when that strudel go down, it can stick to the brown sugar. Now I'm going to just, so let me show you that. So now I'm going to just put the oatmeal right over the top. Spreading it all over. Don't put it in one spot and then don't have enough to do all of it. You want to spread it evenly. And all the spots that you missed, go back and get. Oh, wouldn't your family love this for Thanksgiving, right? Something else for your Thanksgiving table. So there we have it. We're going to put this in the oven on 350 until the it gets golden brown on the top, okay? Okay. And I'll be back. Okay guys, our apple strudel is out. Oops. Drop some. Look at that. How about that, huh? Okay, I'm going to taste for you. I can eat that hot, so let me taste. Okay, look at that. Like it? Okay, let's take a taste. It's a nice flavor. The strudel part is crunchy. And the apples are not firm, not soft, but a definite pleasure in your mouth. You can definitely tell the apples were baked. I like it. That brown sugar kicks right through. Wow, now that's a nice, light, delighted dessert. Okay, just for your Thanksgiving. Okay, share the video, would you? Thumbs up, subscribe, check out my links below if you would like to support this channel. Until next time, I brought it home to you. Bye-bye.